Today, I'm going to show you how to create POV paragliding videos using AI in just a few simple steps. And the interesting part is that there are almost no videos on this topic. So if you start making content like this, you have a good chance of growing your channel. First, go to ChatGPT. Then, click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Image Recreation Pro. After that, click on it and press Start Chat. Now you need to describe the scene where the person is paragliding. For example, the person could be paragliding in space, flying over water, gliding above mountains or land. You can also go to Google, find a reference image, upload it here, and ask the AI to recreate it or modify it. You can also go to Google, find a reference image, upload it here, and ask the AI to recreate it or modify it. For example, I wrote this prompt, "A man paragliding in space." Now we just wait for a moment. And after a few seconds, the AI generates the image. Here is the image we got. And honestly, it looks really cool. Now I need a motion prompt to animate this image, so I'm going to generate that here as well. And now we have the motion prompt that we can use for animation. Next, go to Grok. Once you're on Grok, open the Imagine option. Upload the image you downloaded earlier and paste the motion prompt you generated. Then press Enter. Now wait a few seconds. And as you can see, the AI has generated the animated video, and it actually looks really good. There's also another version available. Let's check that one out as well. Here's the second version. Personally, I think this one looks a little more realistic, but the first one is good too. It really depends on which one you prefer. Now let's generate another scene using the same process. This one actually animated without using a motion prompt, and it still looks pretty good. Now let's try animating it with the motion prompt. This looks really cool, but why is the dinosaur running away from me? So you can also create videos like this using AI and upload them on YouTube, Instagram, or other platforms to grow your channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.